Hello guys, and welcome to this new video of SEO tips. My name is Marvin, I'm a full stack developer and SEO specialist. And today I'm going to show you how to find low-hanging fruits from the Google Search Console that may not be visible from your paid SEO tool. This trick alone will help you find keywords your website already ranks for. Let's dive in. So as you can see, I'm already on the dashboard of my Search Console of a new website of mine called Dataxi. You can check it out if you're curious. But basically we're going to go in the performance section, clicking on search results. Once we're here, we're going to create a new query. So you click on new, then query, and that query will actually be a custom regex. And then we're going to copy paste the following regex, which is this one that I'm going to add down below the video, which is basically going to retrieve all the queries containing questions such as who, what, when, where, why, and is. Then you click on apply. And voila. As you can see the results, you're getting all the questions your site is getting impressions or click for. And as you're basically already getting some impressions and some click from it, you rank much faster by creating content around that topics that Google already associates your website with. You can basically either create new content or add content on the existing page that is already ranking for that keyword. For instance, is coding required for data analytics? I click on it, then on page, and I'm seeing the page that is currently ranking for these keywords. And voila, that was it for today, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of that trick. Until next time, keep optimizing.